Hi everyone, I hope all is well. As you remember, we are converting HTML template into WordPress. This is our second video. In the previous video, we covered many topics like custom theme creation, theme branding, navigation, custom theme setting or panel. Then we created dynamic header and footer. In this video, we are going to make entire home page using ACF and custom post type. So let's get started. Welcome back guys. In the last video, we had completed header and footer, and this is the WordPress front end. So we have just header and footer here, but the complete home page like this. So we need to create same home page in the WordPress. So before doing anything, let's install some important plugins. So just back to the dashboard, plugin panel. We can install advanced custom field. Just activate. Then we need to activate advanced custom field font awesome. Okay, I will explain why we are using font awesome. Then contact from 7, then custom post type maker. So I'm going to use this plugin for creating custom post type and font awesome. One more thing, uh, if you can see any inactive plugin or updation for any plugin, so you can easily update. We are using latest version, so we need to keep up to date for everything, theme and plugins and other things. So I already installed the plugins, so just I activated the plugin now. So we are done with the plugin. First thing, so now let's create a custom template. If you remember, we discussed about the custom template. So we are going to create home page. So simply open the files, theme files. This is the theme files. Create a PHP file. You can use a name, but related to the home page. So I'm going to use TPL underscore custom home page, custom home page, and finish. This is now we need to create a template name here. So this is the code, this is the line here. You can use this one. Just comment 2 to 3 lines, then template name and your page name. We are going to create home page, then home. After this one, just get header. After this one, same, just get start PHP, get footer, and close the PHP. Here we need to use the HTML code. So this is our home page. So let me delete header and footer from this file. Then we can use the rest part and this one. So this is the home page. So just copy and paste here. Copy and paste, then update. After this one, back to the WordPress dashboard, create a page, create a new page like home page, front page, whatever. You can choose the name as per your choice, but I'm going to use home page, just home, and I can select the template from the template directory, default template, default, and we have created home page, then home page and update or publish. This is the custom template. Here, refresh, we can't see, then simply go to setting and reading. Then this is the important thing for the custom pages, and for counting we will discuss. Select this one, select home page and save changes. After this one, refresh the home page. You can see the home page now, but you can't see the images. For images, let me show you one more thing. Permalink. Permalink should be post name or custom structure. Post name. This is very important uh, for SEO. Post name, just use post name. We are done with the permalink. Okay, then refresh. If you want to see the images, then use the directory name, this one. We can add this one where we have images. For now I'm going to use for blog post, this one, this one, and this one. I think we have 3 blogs or post on home page. Refresh. Can you see images? Then meet our team. Okay, meet our team, just paste directory name, paste, paste and save and update. So you can see the team name, blog team name. This is the another image here. So let's add this one and one more image for about us. Then we have images for banner. This is the banner part, I think. Yes, this one. Refresh. Sorry, save and refresh. Reload. So this is the home page. So let's make it dynamic. As you remember, we have called latest post here, so we can use the same code here for blog part. First thing, we need to check the repeating section, column, div. So this is the blog part, row, one div, second and third. So we can remove any two, this one and this one. After this one and this one, we have query already, this one. So I'm going to use same query, just copy and paste, copy and paste. Now post, we need to display 3, Then this is the image display image. This is the image. Just copy and paste here. Alt, we can use the post title or blog title. PHP the title. Then this is the date. PHP the date function. This is category. Okay, this is the title. PHP the title, and this is the description. This is the description. PHP the content. Then read more. Read more means permalink. PHP the permalink. We can use the same on the image title here, for image here. Then save and refresh. We have two posts right now. Let me show you. Dashboard and post. Hello world and developer testing. Hello world and developer testing. I'm going to use same code here. Developer testing and hello. Developer testing hello world. This is the developer testing. Same code update, or we can use lorem ipsum. This is the standard website for dummy text, so you can use, going to use one paragraph and create a new post. Refresh. Developer testing hello world and blog posting title, paste description, then featured image. Featured image we can use previous video, htdocs, html images. We can use this one, 81. Set featured image, publish and refresh. Here we have a long description. So we need to use a code for showing 2 to 3 lines here. So I have already, and I will include all the custom code into the video description. So just copy and paste here. .php again, and we can remove this one and remove this one. So we can use just 2 to the 20 words and trim content. We can use here echo, paste and save and refresh. 2 to 3 lines, 2 to 3 lines, 2 to 3 lines, and permalink. Click here. It will land on a single post, but we are not working on the single post right now. We will work on it later. So this is dynamic, January 2, January 1, and hello world. Hello world. Open the post hello world, we can change the we can see the we can see the December 24. Okay, update. You can choose any date, publish date, but I'm going to use randomly here. So now we need to call category here. Like, click here. We need to add some categories here. So categories. This is a category, so we can rename this one like PUSI business update. Then we can create HTML. This is the categories. WordPress. You can use any category. Photoshop. Notepad. Okay. So now we need to assign categories with blog post. So here we can business already selected. Okay. Developer testing. Let's say Photoshop update. Hello world. Let's say WordPress and update. So now let's use ChatGPT for displaying categories. So just copy the line, this code, just copy and paste here, or you can write a few lines as per your need, what you want. Then ChatGPT will write a code for us. Like I'm using this code and I want to show or display selected categories with post. So just copy this code back to the ChatGPT, paste here and enter. After this one, it will write a code, featured image. Okay, 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 okay. So, so this is the code, and we need category. So just copy this part and paste inside the code here. No need to change anything here, but you can change if you want. Then output. This is the output categories. So we have categories here. So inside the li, just paste php echo output, then php close. After this one, we can say he already added a anchor tag, category URL, category name. This is the alt tag. If you want to use alt tag, then you can use, otherwise you can remove, nothing else. And it's done. Save and refresh. We have business because it was a static. Reload. Then business, Photoshop and WordPress. Business, Photoshop, WordPress. If we are going to use two categories, then what happened? For developer testing, I'm going to use business, update and refresh. So business and WordPress, two categories in a blog post testing, Photoshop, update. For blog posting title, this is the post. We have two categories, business and Photoshop. This is the permalink, this is the permalink, this is the blog post. So blog post done with the custom post type. Right now we will use ACF with this content and this content, but right now we need to complete all custom post type. Second, this is meet our team. Now we need to create a custom post type for displaying our team. So back to the dashboard and settings. This is the post type. Click here. You can create a custom post type. Name here like our team. Then this is the custom post type name. I means we are going to register a custom post type name into the database. So we need to use unique this name. So I'm going to use cptm like this and team label just team singular name team description team visibility okay rewrite okay everything and we need featured image. This is the slug icon. We can use if you have any icon you can upload, otherwise you can choose the icon from the WordPress directory. This is the team, so we can use group of users or people. Let me check. We can use this one. Click here and we can use this one. Just copy and paste here and update or publish. A custom post type will be created here with name of team. So this is the team. So now we can create all team members here. Name, description and image. Let me create a one like we have Ajay Pratap, Ajay Pratap, description bio we don't have right now, and image, featured image, select image, Ajay Pratap, this one, and this one. Publish, publish, and we can create all team member in the same pattern. I have created all four members here in a custom post type in the team. So let's display all team members on the front end here. So just we can copy the same code, same queries, this one. Just copy and see the team. This is our team and let's see the repeating. Okay, this one, two, three, and four. So we can use three, one, one, two, three, and we can paste the code here and closing this one and this one. But we need to change the argument now. Team, team here, the the query, maybe team, just copy, paste, copy, and paste. And this is the post we need to show four here. This is the post type. Post type means we need to use this one. This is the post type. Just copy and paste here. Then we have image. We can use. We don't need this these line two lines, so we can remove. This is the image. We can use the same image, same code. Just paste here, and we can use here the title. the title. Just copy and paste. Just and I'm changing the variable here, the the title, and save and refresh. Done. Zoho developer, Zoho developer, Zoho developer, Zoho developer, because we don't uh, we we don't have name here, position name here in the backend here. So it's showing static right now. So let's use ACF now. For ACF, this is the ACF. Click here and add a field group. First, click here like team member details. Then we have a position text field. This name must be unique for all. Like we can add team. Then we have Facebook, Twitter, Google or LinkedIn. So I'm going to use just one for now. Facebook now underscore team. Okay, let's add Twitter. Twitter underscore team. Twitter, Google and LinkedIn. Google underscore team. One more. LinkedIn and team. Save. So option will be created on the with the name, but we don't have right now here. So let's check. So this is the post type is equal to post dot post just team and save. Now we can check the options here like position Anuradha, like Anuradha web developer. We can add here. Facebook we can use just https facebook.com. We can add the URL here for Twitter, for Google, for LinkedIn and update. For other name, Nikhil Rana, Prashant Rawat and Ajay Pratap. Senior PHP developer, Nikhil. Okay. Hash and hash. Update, Prashant Rawat, PHP and WordPress developer. Okay. Hash. Update, Ajay Pratap, Show developer. Hash, hash, hash and update. Now we need to display this text on the front end here. So let's use Google or ChatGPT. You can use both, but Google would be good. Display ACF ACF value. Click here. ACF display value. Okay. Get the field and the field. Two value. Get the field. Okay. Get the field. This is the code. Just copy and paste here. Joho
developer. Here we need to use API key name. API key name means see this one. For position we can use this one here. 123, this is the ID. ID means this ID. This ID, this ID, this ID. So we can add a here like post ID equal to get the ID. Then we can use this one here and update. Then refresh home page. Web designer, senior PHP developer. Then you can use ASC if you want to change the order. If you want to change the order, then it will be displayed like this. Then we can use same code, same line and paste here like this one and add the API key Facebook team here, then copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Facebook, then Twitter, then Google, API key Google and LinkedIn key Google. Save and refresh. We have added Facebook here, but we have hash. So this is done, and you can add the correct name, correct URL for your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other thing like this one. The field, the short code. Okay. So back to the dashboard. This is done, and we have services. This one. So let's work on services. Same, we can create a custom post type. So here post type, then create a custom post type services. We can use like this one and CRVI services. Just copy paste, and this is the icon. We can use icon like for services. Let's use this one. Okay, just copy. You can choose anyone. Refresh, editor, featured image, and publish. Now we have services. Same, create here. We can use name and description. This is the name and this is the URL. So just name here and description here and image here. So I have created all four services here. So let's display on the front end. So, so we are going to use same code and services. I think at the top, this is the services. Let's see the repetitive. This 1, 2, 3, 4. Just remove 3 repeating div, this one and remove. So this code here and closing div here. Change the post type name. This is the post type name we can use here for. Okay, then We don't need images here, we can remove. Then this is a title, PHP, the title, copy paste, and description. PHP, the content. Learn more, the permalink, the permalink. Okay. For change the argument, just copy and paste and copy copy paste, just changing the variable. Save and refresh. Okay, we have one icon right now because we did not work on the icon right now, but you can see the permalink. Okay, so let's include the ACF here now for icon. So ACF, create a field group, ser services, services, and let's add icon and services. Here we have font awesome, this one. We can choose or we can select all here, but it will return some values like icon element, icon class, icon unicode, icon object. Just use icon class, nothing else, and post type service and save changes. Now back to services on the dashboard. Services here we have 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we can choose the icon. We are going to use some random icon for now, like handshake, update. Here we can use other icon like meta, update. Here meg, okay, bullhorn, update. Then laptop, you can choose any icon, nothing else. Then laptop and update. Now back to the code. So this is the icon, and we need to replace this class with our library, which is font awesome. So post id we have already, and we have already a code. Just copy this line and paste here. Post id, then API key. We need to change API key, ACF, ACF. This is the ACF and this is the service. Click here and icon name, just paste here, save and update. So icon will be changed based on your selection. So this is done. Now this is the banner part. So let's complete the banner part with the custom post type. So let's create a other custom post type with the name of banner. So this is the post type. Click here. We can create here type uh, add title, home banner, and we can use like this here, and banner name, just banner, 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 and here we can use icon. Let's say this icon. Click here, gallery, update. We don't need this one, just editor and featured image, and publish. This is the banner. We can add the banner with the same way, like this is the title, this is the description. So I'm going to add. I have added two banners with title, description, and image. So let's display this banner on the front end here. So let's check the repeating div. Like this is the repeating div, this one and this one. Okay, so let's remove one. I'm going to remove this one and then this. After this one, we can use the same code. This one, just copy, paste, and closing HTML, closing PHP with banner, and change the variable. Here we can, change the post name, CPTM banner. We can use multiple posts here like 2, 5, 10. If you want to change, if you want to display unlimited, just minus, hyphen, or 1. Date, DSC, ASC, depend on you, and change the variable. Banner, just copy and paste, and banner, this one here and here. Then this is the title, PHP, the title, and the content, PHP, the content, and image. This one will be added here. Echo and close the. Okay, just save and refresh the home page. We have added two, then two. You can add you can add more slides here, depend on you. How many do you want to use? So now let's include ACF, custom post, ACF, advanced custom field. For this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. So first thing, I'm going to create a tabbing system for the particular page and use like section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5, and section 6. But you can use the other name like banner, services, about us, a latest update, or our vision or mission, our team, or latest news. So you can use anyone's, but I'm going to use section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5. So back to the ACF, create a field group. You can use the same page, home, here, and the page template is equal to home, and save changes. Then edit home page. After this one, you can see the fields. So now let's create a section 1, section 2, section 3. Like delete this one and like this one. Home page, just use section 1 and choose the tabs. This one. We have two types tabs here, horizontal and vertical. So you can choose anyone. Top line, left line. So I'm going to use top line. Save changes and refresh backend. So this is the section 1, but we don't have any field under section 1. That's why it's not displaying. So let's create a field. So now we need to use work with us button name and URL. So just create a field here, button name. Remember, field name or API key must be unique. I'm going to use S1 button name, and here we can use button URL. If we have underscore S1, save, refresh this page, and you can see the two field button name and URL name. Then we can create second section. Create a second section. Just copy and drag and drop section 2 here. Now we have heading and description. So create heading. Now we have S2 heading, then text or description. If we have a long text, then we can use text area, text S2, then save and refresh the home page. Now section 2, section 1. Section 1, what we do, so section 2, then you can use heading here and code here and update. For section 1, like this one, work with us, we can add section 1 work with us and hash update, and we will display this content on the front end on the home page here. So let's create third section, this one. So duplicate, drag and drop section 3, then we have heading, description and image. So just heading, remember S3, heading, then text S3. Here we can use text area or WordPress editor. This one I'm going to use WordPress editor here. Then image, image underscore S3, then save changes, refresh backend home page section 3. heading, section 3 heading, section S3. Save, refresh. Section 1, section 2, section 3, and we can add the value here like this one. Just copy, paste. This is the description. Copy, paste, and this is the image. So this is the image. Let's update and change the image, text, image. We must use image URL, save changes, reload the home page backend, then upload the image. Here we can use this image from the HTML directory, and we have, I think we have this image or this image. Upload, select, and update. Section 1, section 2, section 3 are completed. Let's move this one, section 4. Just click here, duplicate, drag and drop. Section 4, we have same heading, text, and image. So this is duplicate heading, remove S4, text, drag and drop S4 and image, remove copy and S4, remove sorry, remove copy and save changes. Then reload the page, backend page. Section 4, we have image. This is the heading, this is our text and image. We can use this image. We can use anyone. Update and publish. So now let's create two more sections. Duplicate here, section 5. Section 5, just we have heading and text. So duplicate heading, and S5, text, S5. We can change the text area here. Then one more, duplicate section 6, then heading, section S6, and text. Remove this one and S6. Save changes and reload the backend home page. Now we have all sections, section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On a 5, just let me add the content, team setting, and this content for section 6, our latest blog, and this one, and update. So we have completed all custom post type for all sections. So now let's display on the front end. There are we have one important thing. So this is we just need to get the page ID. Dollar page ID get sorry equal to mhm, get the ID. This is the particular page ID, and this is the particular post type ID inside the loops. So if you want to use anything between the post, then you can use this one. If you want to use page ID outside the loop or outside the custom post type, then you can use this page ID. Like I'm going to use this code. Same at the bottom we have blog. This is the blog, so I'm going to use here this one, and I'm going to remove this one and paste. Post ID we need to use page ID now. This one here, paste, paste. Now change the variables. Section 6 heading and text as 6. Save and refresh home page. Done. We can add here br for spacing. Here we can use br like like this one. Br update and refresh like this. Otherwise we need to use css. So this is done. We can get the team part with the same. Just copy and paste here. We have s5 and text, heading and text s5 and update, refresh. 2, then we can use br if you need. Br for new line, refresh. Now this one we can use same, this one, copy, check out our idea here, heading s5 s4 s4 and content here s4. This is the s4. Okay, acf text 4, just copy and paste here. complete. Page ID and image, image S4 here. Save and reload home page. So this is the content. Same for this one. Just use this one. Copy, and this is heading S3. This is text. Just copy and paste S3 and image. This is the image and image S3. Save and update. This is done. This is done. This is done. So I think everything done on the front end home page. So I hope you got everything here with custom post type and ACF. If you want to change anything here, you can change. You have fully knowledge about the ACF and custom post type now in just a one video. So this is complete homepage, header, footer, banner, services, about us. This section could be vision or mission, our team, and our latest news. So now we are complete with the home page. So now let's move to the other pages like about us, services, team, blog, contact us, and sample page. So in the next video, we will complete the other pages like about, service, team, blog, and contact us. These are very simple pages and we will create very quickly with the custom post type, and we will use same code. If we needed any code, then we have ChatGPT, and I used ChatGPT here for coding part. So guys, keep watching, keep learning, and I'll catch you in next video.